Greetings to everyone. So now we are going to discuss about microwave spectroscopy, that is rotational spectroscopy. So rotational energies of molecules are always quantized. That is, there are definite energies. So the range of rotational frequencies is about 8 into 10 power 10 to 4 into 10 power 11 hertz. Right? So these fall in the microwave region. So microwave spectroscopy is shown by permanent dipole moment molecules. Okay? So molecule must have permanent dipole moment, then only it shows or gives us a rotational spectrum. Okay. So some definitions are there. That is moment of inertia. We know that moment of inertia is equal to mr square. So r is the distance of the atom from rotational axis and m in kgs. So angular momentum is equal to I omega, where the angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi nu. Okay. So we have studied this in the last class, that is about linear molecules, symmetric tops, then spherical tops, and then asymmetrical tops. Now, coming to the rotational spectra of diatomic molecules. So, consider a molecule with nuclear masses M1 and M2. So, this M1 and M2 are two molecules with masses M1 and M2. This R0 is the distance between M1 and M2. This is the center of mass, that is C. Now, R2 is the distance from C to M2, and R1 is the distance from C to M1. Okay. Now, assume a rigid bond that is not elastic in nature. So, R0 is equal to R1 plus R2. Right? And M1 R1 is equal to M2 R2. So, M2 is that is equal to M2 into R0 minus R1. So, this from these two equations, we can derive what is R1. R1 is equal to M2 R0 by M1 plus M2, and R2 is equal to M1 R0 by M1 plus M2. So, moment of inertia about C, that is the center of mass, that will be equal to M1 R1 square plus M2 R2 square. Then M1 R1 is equal to M2 R2, we know that. So, that we are substituting here, that is M2 R2 R1 plus M1 R1 R2. Right? So, if we take out R1 R2 in common, we get M1 plus M2. Now, I is equal to M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 R0 square, that is nothing but equal to mu R0 square, where mu is the reduced mass. Okay? So, this mu is called as reduced mass, and I is equal to mu R0 square. Then, this is the more detailed derivation, that is I is equal to M1 R1 square plus M2 R2 square. How we are deriving it, right? So, M1 R1 into M2 R2 by M1 plus M2 R2 into M1 R1 by M2. So, R1 R2 common, M1 plus M2. So, that is equal to M1 R0 by M1 plus M2, M2 R0 by M1 plus M2 into M1 plus M2. That is equal to M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 into R0 square. Right? So, we have been derived for I, that is moment of inertia. But from the Schrodinger wave equation, we have rotational energy of J, that is Ej is equal to h square by 8 pi square I into J plus 1 joules, where J is the rotational quantum number. Okay. Now, we have the energy with us. So, nu is equal to what now? Delta E by h. So, delta E and nu bar is equal to, that is the wave number, delta E by hc. C is centimeters per second, that is speed of the light. So, Ej will be what now? H by 8 pi square IC, right? So, into J plus 1. So, if we make this as the common, right? So, if we take this as some constant, then it becomes B into J plus 1. Okay. So what we got, energy in terms of joules, okay, of the rotational quantum number, that is equal to B into J plus 1 per centimeter. So this is the wave number for this equation, that is Bj into J plus 1 for rotational quantum number. So V is called as rotational constant for a given molecule. Its units are per centimeter, since J is just a quantum number. Okay. Then, appearance of microwave spectrum. So, if J is equal to 0, some molecule, some atom is going from J0 to J1. So, what will be its wave number? That is 2b minus 0, that gives you 2b per centimeter. If J is equal to 1 to J is equal to 2, so if it is jumping from one level to the another level, then it comes to 4b per centimeter. Similarly, we can calculate for each and every energy levels. Okay? Or generally, J giving rise to J plus 1. Okay, so that comes to 2b into J plus 1 per centimeter. Okay, and note that the selection rule for this is delta J is equal to plus or minus 1, where plus is applying to absorption and minus to the emission. Okay, so delta J is equal to plus or minus 1. That means it goes from one energy level to the another energy level, that is from 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, not from 0 to this. So this won't be occurring. Okay? So the selection rule says that it jumps from one energy level to the another energy level. Okay. Right. So this is about the rotational energy for a diatomic molecule, how to derive the